Hello YouTubers and welcome back to Jason Clark Rides. And today we're going to talk about helmet setups for motor vlogging, specifically the mounting and how this is my setup that I've been making all my videos with. But today it's time for a change. And we've got a free giveaway coming up. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to get your free giveaway or entry into the free giveaway. You have to be a subscriber, so make sure you click that like and subscribe button at the bottom. Click the bell next to it to receive notifications of new videos as they come up. And also this season, the Wounded Warrior Project. You make a donation, you get a free 3x3 sticker for your motorcycle or your car, your truck, your toolbox, whatever you want to stick that baby on. It's a freebie for just making a $1, $2, $5 donation to a great cause, helping our nation's veterans. So we're going to get back into this helmet. This is my AGV K3SV with the wild blue graphics. It's a few years old now. Onto it I have mounted a GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod on it. And I have that wired to a purple Panda lavalier mic, much like what I'm wearing right here. But that's wired into it, and usually I have it wrapped around so it isn't flapping in the breeze, because these babies really will flap. I also do have a communicator system on my helmet. We're not going to get into that today. But yeah, this is a fully wired up helmet, and we're going to do a free giveaway. So let's get into my motor vlogging setup and in this mount. This is my mount. It was sent to me. I actually was looking at purchasing this, and this is the first time I've done this. I wrote the company an email and I stated, hey, I want to review your product. They gave me the product for no charge, and so we're going to do a review on it. This is sealed up just like it came from them, so we're going to unseal it and see what we got today. Hopefully it's as cool as I think it is. I saw this helmet mount online, and I was just about ready to click the buy button, and I was like, well, I might do a review on this. This is kind of an interesting product. It's different than what you see out there. This came from Ride Tech Moto. I'll put the links in the channel description below for their mount. But we're going to go ahead, we're going to cut open these bags and see exactly what we've got. We got to slice it. It's heat sealed. Okay, bag number one. What do we got in here? So we've got a thumb screw with a nut on it. And then just a straight to straight GoPro mount, and that's kind of a standard type of mounting deal. And then in the other bag,
He thinks he's Bruce Lee.
What do we got in bag number two here? We have a 3M sticky on the back of the mount itself, already adhered to it, and then an alcohol prep pad. Okay, so now if we look at an AGV helmet, many helmets out there have the main mounting problem. If you see here, this is all peaked. There's nothing to put a normal GoPro mount on it. If you look at this one, this is supposed to be shaped specifically to this helmet. This contact is what it's all about. It's right there. So you kind of have to just slide it around, figure out where the most contact is. You are dealing with some crazy contours, that's for sure. If you can see this thing, the contours are definitely very strange contours. And my big thing with this mount is, first of all, it's always had some play in it. Matter of fact, I got a little piece of paper wedged in there. So play in the mount isn't a good thing. It helps your camera rattle, puts vibration in it. The smoother you can make that camera ride, the smoother your video is going to be. Less you have to do in post-processing. So very important to get a good rigid mount. And that's always been the problem with this. If you actually look at my mounting setup, I've got the J mount, I've got a straight to a 90, a straight, up to another mount here. So really you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, not including the base, 4 thumb screws.
Hey kids, it's time for counting with Bruce Springsteen.
This is overly complicated. This should improve my angle of view. Whenever you watch my videos, you'll see a little bit of my helmet hanging out. And you also tend to get more of my right hand. If I pull my left hand up to make a motion, you generally can't see it. I really have to get overly animated into the field of the view of the camera because of that, to get my left hand in. Let's, first thing is I'm gonna take this off, because one of the things I've always hated about this mount as well is I look like Robbie the Robot.
Danger. Jason Clark Danger. Danger. Jason Clark Danger.
Wearing this. It's the most ridiculous thing. If you pull up next to somebody and you're, doing this, looking around, it's just crazy looking.
I think that is very funny.
Silence, you sniggering cinderbox!
Where this tends to be a smoother, better look, that's for sure. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually remove the camera itself. Camera's off. What do you think of that? This mount here, oops, I turned on my comm system.
You are responsible for all the mistakes.
Hold your tongue, you bubble-headed booby.
I turn it off. Okay, comm system's off. This one here, I ended up mounting on the helmet. Last fall, I was up in St. Ignace. And in St. Ignace, this mount actually came off another time later in the day. And the problem was I didn't heat it up beforehand. So that's something, before we apply this, we're going to heat it up. So we're going to leave this on there because I just want a backup. This one I heated up before I stuck on, and it's holding good. Let's clean our area first. So we're going to use their alcohol prep pad. Now this didn't come with any instructions. I think it's just pretty intuitive. So we're cleaning it with the old alcohol prep pad. We're making sure we give her a good wipe. Make sure we break down any oils that are accumulated that you really don't see. So we're making sure we got her really good and clean. That should be plenty clean. Okay. So before I really go to work on this thing, I'm going to remove the face shield, just because this is a safety thing. I don't want to mess up my face shield. We're going to apply some heat to this baby. We're also going to apply some heat to the back of this too. The sticky is 3M VHB. VHB. It's awesome. Hey, there's a new game. We ain't trying to peel paint here. We're just trying to heat it up good. Now we got her heated up good. Okay. We got one shot at this baby. And give her a good push. Ah. She's warm. I'm just going to keep pressure on it for a minute or two just to make sure we get a good bond there. All right, looks good. We're going to let it bond 24 hours. See you back tomorrow. This rigid mount from RideTech Moto is available directly from their website. I'll put the links in the description so you can look at their website and order one of your own. We're going to be giving away one of these mounts. So stay till the end of the video. I'll tell you how you can win this mount. One to match your helmet. This will hit. They do make these mounts specifically to fit several different helmets. AGV is, of course, what we are mounting it on. It also, they have fitment for Arai, Bell, Biltwell, HJC, Icon, Ruroc, Scorpion, Shoei, Simpson, and X-Lite. So if you have one of those brands, you'll be eligible to win one of these if you're a subscriber of this channel. And I'll tell you at the end of the video how you can get entered to win one of these. Also, the winner will receive one of my bumper stickers. We've waited overnight, let our helmet mount get good and adhered. The adhesion, I guess, can take up to 24 full hours for it to fully adhere to any surface. And now we can mount our mount. I'm going to try mounting the camera first. Okay. Got my camera mounted to it. That'll give you plenty of back angle. Glad it's an action camera. So there it is mounted. Tuck my wires in. Can't wait to get out on the road and try this, because this looks like this is going to be just a really great camera angle. It's almost dead center axis. You're not going to get that whip, that pull from the side of the helmet. It just looks so much better mounted to your face as opposed to here or the mount up here. There you have it, the RideTech Moto helmet mount. So we've mounted our camera to our J-hook and a straight piece, and it gives me the proper angle to adjust to whatever road conditions I need. And it's clean, it's sleek. I can tuck my wires in a little cleaner there. I put my face shield back on. We are ready to take this baby out and give her a good test. The mount only runs $19.95 plus shipping. If you spend, I believe it's $50 or more on their website, you can get free shipping. The complete, which is the mount, a J and a straight, and a thumb screw, is $24.99. And a complete package, which includes a tether, is $26.99 plus shipping. And if you want to purchase one of these mounts, you're going to get 20% off by using a discount code. The discount code is JasonClark20, and it will knock 20% off that mount. So basically, on the just the basic mount itself, that'll knock $4 off from it. On the deluxe mount, it's going to knock off, what would that be?
Warning, warning! It does not compute.
$5 off the deluxe mount. So the complete with what you see here, everything that I got, you would actually be getting it for $19.99 plus shipping. So that's a great deal considering the quality of the parts and the materials that they got. And it's quick, simple, easy to install. The beard scale, I call it a one beard. Anybody can do this. I don't even think you need a beard for this. So, but there you have it. There's the helmet mount all mounted up, ready for a summer's ride. We'll give you one of these as a free giveaway. The company offered to give me one to do this review and give one of my subscribers one. So it's up for grabs. Leave your name in the comment section. Just write "I'm in," and make sure you're a subscriber. You have to be a subscriber of the channel to win. And hopefully, if this video does well and everybody likes this, we're going to do more videos like this. So click the like, subscribe button, click the bell to receive notifications of more videos. I want to say hey now to Ray Verbeck and all the hooligans at the Hooligan Nation. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking my videos. So get out there and ride today. It's a great day for it.
You can win one of my bumper stickers. You can win one of my bumper stickers. You can win one of my bumper stickers.